Welcome to the Platform video tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to get started with our MPX Essentials product. MPX Essentials is a streamlined solution tailored for businesses with smaller video libraries, providing you all the features and services required to help you reach your audience. Let's take a look at what the turnkey solution provides. First, the MPX console simplifies and streamlines your video management workflow with its intuitive design and navigation. You can easily ingest videos using our one-step upload tool. Ingesting your content into a system for distribution should be one of the easiest parts of the workflow. Built-in editing tools further streamline your video publishing. Users can quickly and easily create thumbnails, segmented clips, set chapter points, and even create URLs for their players. Increasing video views is one of the most important aspects of online video. By managing your playlists or media feeds, you can define play sequences or create dynamic lists. You can also easily choose the feed formats and policies. You can easily build your own branded video player using our player service. The service allows you to build customized HTML5 and Flash players that are configured for PCs, iOS, tablets, Macs, and other devices. Another feature of the player service is that it makes social media sharing easier. You can extend your viewing audience by sharing videos on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media sites. You can optimize your video site with our user-friendly reporting tool to generate usage reports that show you viewership per video, category, affiliate, and more. And lastly, our enterprise class support means our solution is backed by a 4.9 SLA for customer-facing services, 24/7 email and web support, and best-in-class CDN services for storage and NVR streaming. MPX Essentials is an ideal solution for businesses with smaller video libraries, providing all of the features and services required to help you reach your audience. The MPX console is the most intuitive and efficient media management console available. It has many powerful built-in features to streamline and simplify your media management workflow. The layout is in 3 panels. The far left side is your library, where you can see and navigate between the different views that are available. As you click on each view, you'll see a subset of tools and features. The middle panel is your list pane. When selected on a specific view, the list pane will show you those items in that view. Since I'm selected on the media, the list pane shows me all the media in my account. The far right panel represents my detail panel. When I'm selected on an item in the list pane, I will find more details about that item in this panel. Detail information on media is metadata, so this is where I can manage my metadata, as well as policies on availability, expiration, or geofencing. And I can quickly check the published status and the history on my media. At the top of the detail pane is the preview player. I can expand the player and easily approve and unapprove media, and access a set of editing tools around capturing images, creating media clips, and setting chapter breaks. We'll demonstrate those in a bit. All the navigation in the console is done by blade navigation. The Files blade will open to show the individual media files that make up my media. Now I can see my file formats, bit rates, and dimensions, and can also see if the media has been published by the existence of a public URL. Since my list pane is media files, my detail pane is media file metadata and media file properties. I can see where a specific file is stored, what asset type is assigned, which is an easy way to identify a media file, encoding profile that was used to create the file, and see the public URL link for the videos. This link represents the activated media file when you publish. This is also where you will find media file properties, and you can preview media in the files view as well. Let's look at how to do video uploads. The platform provides an integrated upload tool to simplify the process. You'll find the upload command at the bottom of the media view. When you click the command, you'll get an Upload Media dialog box. From here, you can browse out to media files to upload or drag and drop files from your desktop. There is an option to combine files into one media if you select a related video and image. This combines them into the same media title. With this tool, you can choose any number of files of any size, and the tool will upload them in the background as you continue to work in the console, adding media metadata, etc. To view the status of the upload, you can click on the My Uploads view. This view is tied to your user credentials, so you will only see the uploads you've initiated. You can see the progress, if they're complete, if they're in the queue, or if there was an error. The rest of the views under Media represent common filters on your media. Now let's go back to the editing tools available. I'll expand the preview player to a nice viewable size. We can create a thumbnail by clicking the Capture Image. This provides a drop-down displaying my image encoding profiles. I can select the image I'd like to create, and then have options to pick the exact frame by clicking on the scrubber bar and by using my arrow keys for exact positioning. Once I'm satisfied, I can click the Save to generate the encode task for the image. I can create as many images as I'd like. The image files will be referenced as part of the media. The next tool is around creating clips of media. I can do this by designating a start and end time for the clip. This will create a brand new media clip in my account. And I can set chapter breaks on media by clicking on the scrubber bar and clock button, or typing in the timing. Chapter breaks are typically where mid-roll ads would play on long-form content. The console also helps with efficient workflow management through customizing columns, search, and the ability to create shortcuts. Please see the other video tutorials for more in-depth instructions on how to do this. Now we're ready to publish your content or make it accessible for consumer playback. MPX's publishing workflow automates the entire publishing process for you, from file selection, transcoding, and applying asset types to moving files to the right locations, or CDNs. With MPX Essentials, we have pre-configured publish and encoding profiles to format your content for nearly every device type and outlet. You'll find the Publish command at the bottom of the media view. By clicking this command, you're initiating publish and subsequent transcoding tasks. You can check on the status by hovering over the hourglass to see progress. Click on the Publish status in the media panels, or even clicking on the Files blade to see what media files are being created. You will also see the public URL getting created as part of the publishing. This represents the activated streaming media file. Once we publish and activate the media, we're ready to configure the delivery. Managing feeds, or playlists, is one of the most important aspects of online video. In the Feeds view, you can control exactly how these playlists are constructed, whether by selecting specific videos for a list or creating the video list dynamically using a query or filter on your content. We'll walk through the exercise of creating a hand-picked list or editorial feed. We'll add a new feed, give it a title, and click the Preview blade. This allows us to preview the feed as we're building it. You can use the Add button at the bottom of the preview. This allows you to select exactly the videos you want. Once selected, you can sequentially order them by using the drag and drop feature to move the pins. The media is pinned in the feed because there are no filters or queries used to add it to the feed. Clicking Save on a new feed will generate the feed URL. This is what is used to identify this feed and the media associated with it. To see more details on how to create or manage feeds using the console, please see the video tutorial on defining feeds. Now that we've configured feeds, let's look at how the feed will power the player. The Player service is a console-based player designer where any type of user can build a Flash or HTML5 player. You can choose a feed from your account to power the player, and then choose from the built-in layouts, skins, color schemes, and more. The Preview feature, like the feeds, allows you to preview your player changes while you make them. The Player service gives you all the benefits offered in our Player Dev Kit without the need to build your own player through code or host it. The Feed service and Player service work together seamlessly so videos are automatically formatted for the right device and player. Please see the video tutorial on creating players in the MPX console for a complete tutorial on how to use the service and all the key benefits. To keep track of all these video views, the platform provides an easy-to-use reporting tool. In order to grow your business, you need good data on which to base decisions. Our built-in reporting tool offers both a graph and a data table for a report, and easy tools for exporting this information to your own reporting software to further refine it. You can export it to a CSV file or copy the contents to a clipboard and paste it to your own workbook. There are two MPX Essentials packages, one at $4.99 with all the features just covered, including 500 media objects, up to 4,200 gigabytes of streaming per year, and 500 gigabytes of storage. The second is a $14.99 package that gives you even more functionality. This includes 2,000 media objects, up to 18,000 gigabytes of streaming per year, and 2,000 gigabytes of storage. In addition to the $4.99 features and increased storage and streaming, you can create your own metadata schema through the use of custom fields to provide even more flexibility in video discovery. You can set up an automated ingest process through the use of our watch folders. You have access to our Player Dev Kit and the Section 508 player template. You can leverage MPX's rich ad policy features for monetizing content through advertising. And you can easily apply restrictions for stream concurrency, geofencing, IP addresses, tokens, domains, and availability windows. With the ability to scale with your business as it grows and changes, MPX Essentials is ideal for media companies with small to medium video libraries. This concludes our video on getting started with MPX Essentials. Thank you for watching.